Hi, today I'm gonna tell you about WordPress settings. So please just subscribe my channel so that you can see the latest videos first. So let's get started. Here if you see, this is my settings, and inside settings there are many settings like general, writing, reading, and I will explain you one by one. So first let me open the general. And what are general settings? Basically, general settings includes your title, your address, site address, your roles, user roles, your email address, and those things. From the site title, you can set your site title as, if I open this, you can see here my new website is my site title, that is this one. So if I want to change it, like I wanted something else, practice website, so I'm gonna just save the changes and I will show you. So as I refresh it, and you can see my site title has been changed. Okay, so what is tagline? Tagline is this one, as you can see here. This is your tagline and you can just change it from here. One thing I would like to recommend you, that never change your WordPress address or site address, because if you change it, it can maybe break your site. Because one time I have just changed it and my website was not opening, it just lost. So never touch this. And your email address, if you want to change, you can just change it. And membership is that anyone can register on your website if you have a register and login option. So and user roles, I will tell you in the later chapters that what are user roles, but now I have to tell you that there are 5 user roles: subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and administrator. And your site language, time zone, date format, and time format, you can just set it all and save your changes. The next setting is writing. So let's open the writing settings. So if you go to writing settings, you will just see here default post category. Default post category is basically, it's by default uncategorized. So if you add more categories, then you can make it default as well. But when you install new WordPress, then the default category is uncategorized. Default post format is standard. You can select many post format as you want, so it's your choice. And if you like classic editor, you can select classic, otherwise block editor. So this is your email, you can just change it if you want. And update services is that, like, if you make changes in your website, and then you can just inform to Google that your services have been updated, you can just inform it from here. Like when you publish a new post, so you can just notify the following site. If you go to reading, so let me explain the reading settings. Reading settings is basically that what you want on your home page. Like if you want to state latest post, if you see there are latest posts. Since I have only one post right now, but if I have different posts, then all latest posts will be shown here in the home page, because I have selected as your latest post. But suppose if I select a static page, so let me show you. I select a static page and I'm gonna select my home page as sample page, and my post page I can select as about us, because I have not created much pages right now, so I'll just select it for showing you. So let me save the changes. So when you save the changes, it will be written settings save. And now I just refresh my home page, and now you will see that my home page is right now my sample page. Why? Because I have just selected my home page as sample page, and it's a static page. And what I selected here, my post page about us. So if I go to about us, here you will see my post. And if I go to my home page, it will also be a static page. So like from here you can make changes, but I would like to select your latest post. And how much blog you have to show, that's your choice. So if you want to show full text, you can show full text, otherwise you can show summary. Like if I go to my post page, here it's so like let me change this So from here you can just change everything. So let me go to the discussion settings. So from here, discussion settings mean all settings related to your comments. Like if you want to make changes to your comments field, then you can just change it from here. So let me show you. Default post settings is attempt to notify any blogs linked to from the post. Like if you want that any blogs are linked to a post, you want that notification, then it's good. And like here, if you want people to allow to submit comment, if you just remove it, then what will happen, that people could not comment on your post. Let me show you. First let me open my post like hello world, and let me show you. There is a comment section, but what would I do, I'll just I have not selected it, and I'm gonna just save the changes, and I'll show you. Let me just refresh it. So when I refresh it, here if I write something, maybe it will post comment. Yeah, it is posting, but maybe I am the admin, I can post, but maybe the other users could not post here, so I have not checked that, but you can just check it from your mobile or something else. So other comment settings, you can just read it out, that comment author must fill out their name and email. Like if you just not selected, then what will happen, that anyone can come in your website and just without their name and email, they can just write anything on your website, and so you will not know that person's name, that email, so maybe you will think it's a spam, but it's your choice if you want or not. Just let me do all the settings that was before and just save the changes. The next is media. So media is all about images, videos, thumbnails, everything is all about media. So thumbnail size, what you want, it's medium size, large size, how much you want, you can just set it from here. It's just as simple as you can see here. Let's go to the permalinks one. So permalinks are like, if you see here, you have selected the custom structure. Like if you go here, you will see this one permalink here right now, means index.php, and the date is been written and hello world. So same like that, year, month. So what I'll do, I'll just select my post name. That means no, I'll select plain. That means whatever I open, this number, its ID will be shown to me. So just let me save the changes, and if I save it and I will just click on home page, and I will go to my post, and here you will see this one, as I have changed the permanent. So it's very easy, you can just change the settings how you like. And let me show you the privacy part. So that's the last one. Privacy settings are basically a privacy policy page in which you define all your laws, what are your policies of your website and everything. So what are you going to provide to your people, and you can just create a page from here. They give you a default privacy policy page. So that was all about settings. Settings are an important part of your WordPress website, so you have to learn it very well and do it good. So just please subscribe my channel so that you can see all the latest videos. Thank you.